have a thought. You're not head to jump like that, Mary. We'll get home there, Find me hat for you.
A gentleman Irish mighty odd, he had a broad boat rich and sweet, and arrived the word he carried a hot. Have a timid of a chiplin way, but the love of liquor he was born, and to send him on his ways, they a drop and a cracker every man. What a daddy, a laxy, and they're on the road, you're trying to win. Listen to the truth, they tell you, let's just come that singing and play. One morning Tim was rather full, his head felt heavy which made him shake. He fell off the ladder and he broke his skull, and they brought him home his corpse to wake. Well, they wrapped him up in a nice clean sheet, and laid him out upon the bed, with a bottle of whiskey on his feet, and a barrel of water on his head. For the daddy, and the Lord, you're trying to say, the truth, I tell you, lots of fun, that Finnegan fight. But his friends and trembled not to wait, and Mrs. Finnegan called for lunch. But first she gave them tea and cake, then pipe, tobacco and brandy punch. When the women all began to cry, had such a lovely court she ever did see. And the Tim Malvarine, why did he die? Well, you howl your God said Paddy McGee. But for the daddy and I'm see man, around the Lord, you're trying to say, isn't it the truth? They tell you lots of fun that Finnegan's done. But Mary Murphy took up the job, and Biddy said she, you're wrong, I'm sure. Well, Biddy fetched her a belt and a god, and left her sprawling on the floor. But Sybil wanted them engaged, woman to woman, a man to man. Till Lady Love was on a rage, and a row and eruption soon began. But for the daddy and see man around the Lord, you're trying to say, isn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun that Finnegan free. But Tim Maloney ducked his head, and a bottle of whiskey flew at him. He ducked and landing on the bed, the whiskey scatters over Tim. Have you got to revive and see how he rises? Him Finnegan riding in the bed. They fling your whiskey around like lead. It's a thunder and jazz, the 18th time dead. But for the daddy and see a murder from the road.